Every day, adults use chemicals like medicines and cleaning products to help us to stay well and to keep our homes clean and tidy. These chemicals can be really useful, but they can also be dangerous if they're not used properly. That's why it's so important to understand how to stay safe around them. So what are medicines and what do we need to know about them? A medicine is a type of drug or chemical that can help you feel better when you're ill or in pain. Some medicines are prescribed by a doctor, meaning you're only allowed to take them if a doctor has said it's right for you, while others can be bought over the counter in a shop or a pharmacy. Over-the-counter or OTC medicines include things like cough syrup, some allergy medicines, and certain types of pain relief, such as paracetamol or ibuprofen. Prescription medicines are restricted, which means you can only have them if a doctor gives you a special note called a prescription. No matter what kind of medicine it is, all medicines can be harmful if they're misused. That's why every medicine comes with important information. The label tells you what the medicine is for, how much to take, and when you should take it. There's usually also a leaflet inside the box, which explains more about the side effects and how to safely store it. Children should never take medicines on their own, even if they've had it before, or they think they know what it does. You should always wait for a trusted adult, like a parent, carer, or school nurse, to give you the right amount and at the right time. Medicines should always be stored safely somewhere out of reach, like a high shelf or a locked cupboard. Just like medicines, household products such as sprays, bleach, polish, and disinfectants can also cause harm if they're not used correctly. These products are often used by adults to clean surfaces, remove stains, or kill germs. But many of them contain strong chemicals that can be dangerous if they're touched, breathed in, or swallowed. Some of these products can irritate your skin or eyes. Others can cause serious breathing problems. That's why it's important to stay away from cleaning products. Children should never try to clean with them. If you ever see a spill, smell something strange, or notice that a container is open or leaking, you should tell an adult straight away. Just like with medicines, household products should always be kept out of children's reach, in a locked cupboard or somewhere high up. So how do we stay safe? Never take medicine unless a trusted adult gives it to you. Never touch or open cleaning products, even if you've seen adults use them before. Don't try to help with spills or cleaning unless an adult tells you that it's safe. And if you're ever unsure about something, always ask an adult you trust. Being safe means being aware, knowing what could go wrong, and making smart choices. Medicines and cleaning products can be helpful, but only when they're used in the right way, by the right person, and at the right time. So let's look after ourselves, look out for each other, and always think before we act. Stay safe, ask questions, and never be afraid to speak up if there's something that doesn't feel right.